headed to my favorite store in the whole wide world. We're getting organized. Yay! This is why I love the Container Store. You can have everything. Awesome. Welcome to my little slice of heaven on earth, the Container Store. As a professional organizer, this store holds a very special place in my heart. It's like a family member or even a best friend. It's always there for you. It provides you with the support you need. It inspires you. It energizes you. It lifts you up. It makes you feel like you are the most amazing and organized person in the world. And who doesn't want a little of that? Practically speaking, however, the Container Store is my go-to destination for everything I need. It's consistent in carrying the same line, the same style, and the same brand of products. I know I'll get exactly what I'm looking for. There are multiple locations around Los Angeles where I can source everything in order to get what I need. And it's constantly updating and introducing new products and organizing trends to keep me on top of my game. It totally sets me up for success. While I love finding a great bargain and hunting for deals, I don't shop for organizing products that way. I don't go to the variety dollar stores, I don't shop at the discount stores, and I don't even do the big guns. You just never know what they're going to have. They're constantly rotating product. They're moving in specials or they're selling off items that didn't sell elsewhere. If you love a basket or bin that you bought there last year and now you need 2 more of them, there is usually no chance you're going to find them again. The selection is just not consistent enough to depend on these stores. That is why, my friends, the Container Store is my one-stop shop to find the right organizing solutions we need to create the organized spaces we all love. The Container Store is, quite literally, my own little slice of heaven on earth. Thank you, Mike, for all your help. This is amazing. We've got lots of organizing happening soon. Take care.